Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, is worth over $100 billion. But he didn't build that wealth overnight. His secret isn't chasing hype or working 18-hour days. Instead, Buffett mastered a set of timeless principles that anyone can follow. Yes, even in 2025. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 of his most powerful tips for building real, lasting wealth. And I promise, tip number 5 is something almost everyone ignores. But it's the reason Buffett became a billionaire. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Invest in yourself first. Warren Buffett once said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." Before you think about stocks, crypto, or real estate, ask yourself, are you growing your own value? Buffett reads for hours every day because he knows that knowledge compounds faster than money. Whether it's learning a skill, improving your mindset, or simply reading great books, this is where real wealth begins. In 2025, with AI changing everything, people who keep learning will always have the edge. Tip 2. Avoid debt, especially credit cards. Debt is one of the biggest traps keeping people poor. Buffett warns against credit card debt because of one simple fact: the interest you pay far outweighs the returns from most investments. He once said, if you're smart, you're going to make a lot of money without borrowing. Living paycheck to paycheck while paying 20% interest on a new iPhone, that's not smart finance. In 2025, avoid debt like it's a virus, unless you're using it to build assets, not liabilities. Tip 3. Buy great businesses, not just stocks. Buffett doesn't chase stock tickers. He buys great companies. That's the difference between gambling and investing. He looks at whether a business is profitable, has a competitive advantage, and is built to last. In 2025, when meme stocks and hype-driven investing dominate headlines, remember, a business with long-term value will always beat a short-term trend. Think Apple, think Coca-Cola, think consistency. Tip 4. Think long-term, always. We live in a world addicted to speed. Fast money, fast fame, fast results. But Buffett's philosophy is the opposite. His favorite holding period? Forever. He invests in businesses he believes in, and then waits. That's how he leveraged the power of compounding. In 2025, while everyone else is flipping NFTs or panic selling during dips, the patient investor wins. Wealth isn't built in a month. It's built in decades. Tip 5. Stay calm when others panic. During the 2008 financial crisis, when everyone was selling, Buffett was buying. He made billions because he stayed calm. He's famous for saying, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." In times of market crashes, wars, or recession fears, most people... Here's the shocker. Warren Buffett still lives in the same modest house in Omaha that he bought in 1958. Despite being one of the richest men in the world, he drives a regular car, eats cheap fast food, and wears simple clothes. Why? Because he values freedom over flexing. In 2025, many people will go broke trying to look rich. But those who live below their means will build the quiet wealth no one sees until it's too late. Buffett famously avoided tech stocks for years, not because he hated innovation, but because he didn't understand them. His rule? If you don't understand how it makes money, don't invest. In 2025, with AI tokens, influencer stocks, and the next crypto boom, this advice is more relevant than ever. Don't follow trends blindly. Follow logic, fundamentals, and long-term value. So there you have it. 7 timeless Warren Buffett tips that can help you build real wealth in 2025 and beyond. Remember, it's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building a foundation so strong it lasts for generations. If you learned something today, drop a comment and tell me which tip hit you the most. And don't forget to subscribe, because we've got more powerful investing and money-making content coming your way. This is just the beginning.